man. Alright, watch that. Look. Drag it. Squeeze. John, no babes. Oh God, my baby. How are you, the friend? So relax, man. I want to be able to relax. You have to know for the shot, you know. Relax, man.
Babes, I don't like going.
Listen to me now, babes, man. I don't know what I do something, you know. See me, overprotect me, you. Do something, you.
You better be around.
Babes, come here, man. Position again, man. I want you. Boss it, I fight it. I want you. Boss it. Monique. Monique. You can do this today, you know. You hear me? Hold this.
Oh, I'm telling you, Monique. Bust up shot, man.
Bad Indian, I want you. Feel like a joke thing this. Eh? But I see nothing, man. Babes, let me see what you can do. I'm you to do this fine, you know. What you? You're a gun girl. That me a talk about. I say you bust up shot.
Damn, that felt real good.
Yeah, give me this. What's that for? Put it in your bag. That me a talk about. Come here. Must be mad. A second place I go. Just I get a youth with big dreams, big dreams, big dreams, big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for putting up everything to rest. Can't follow people, that's how you miss your step. Me never box from a fighter, they can bring your best. Life in your tongue and cricket neck. I go for my one, coming up done for poor. Just a ride on the dream, I'm gonna stop for snore. I feel make it out of this, them shouldn't lock it door. And the whole place I shape, I drop a bomb for sure. Me get the wings. If you're not hard money, we no link. Shut up. Focus, not even blink. How long man I lose time for win? First place, we are come for the prize, we no shake. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. No matter how the journey rough, turn it round. Can't make no problem, hold you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Now a champagne, a bus. Well, father, I tell you, say, I want to build up a studio around, say, you know. With the look inheritance money when I get, you see me? I want to start advice you for high time, you see me? Produce some music.
That's a good move, man. Progressive move, my son.
Would I love to do the artist thing, I'm a father, but artists too easy to catch, you know?
Yeah, like a common call. You can't be artist and live gangster life.
That I know my father, man, you see me? I go buy 2 with him, you see me? Produce 2 songs, you see it? Yeah, man. You put some of my inheritance money in this. I sell my father a road. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that new one, yeah. When you love someone and someone loves you back, a matter of fact, you will never look back. You will always be the one in my memories. Those guys will spit you out like a hot cup of tea. As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody who lives down your lane? You don't have to worry, girl, 'cause I will play your game.
Wicked, my father, wicked. Hey, Billboard not ready for that one day. Remember, me tell you. Yo, me I say in the road, you know. You know, so me know a producer named Brojasash. Zine, and I go cry up our studio and make your voice a song for you.
Yeah.
You hear that? Big song that you know, man. I tell you. See me?
Hi Tyson, hi Dad.
What about my sister?
I have something to tell you, both of you.
What go on now?
You know that the boy's Pink Shell pulled a gun on me?
What? I hold this happen.
I went over to his house and he pulled the gun at me.
You mad man. Where I do a man yard? Look how much time I want you.
Hold on. I know I spend a long time, you know. Him another kind of youth there. Sure about this Pinky?
Yes, I'm sure, Tyson. Why would I be lying to you? Are you going to stand here and pick up for someone who wants to kill you? Did you know that Pink Shell pointed a gun at me?
Yes, Tyson. We never take up your dirty gunman friend. I'm gonna tell you that for gonna get up. I answer because of your crosses, son.
Well, I told him I go show Spencer who me be. And you can't blame Tyson for this.
Who else to blame? He make Pink you know about Ghetto.
Woman, you know see a torment. What make you no go on hell? Eh? Pinky a one big woman, she do what she want to do. Let me tell you this. Don't blame me a rascal.
Roger Tash Production. New beginning. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah.
Pebbles, my God, are you?
But in there, I give up easy though.
No, you know, babes. You know, see, I don't want to get in on a problem now.
I don't like coward man, sir. I like when my man them fight over me.
I want to tell you, Pebbles. I'm not going to fight over you, but me boss me going over here anytime.
So you're not going to invite me in? Awa, you afraid of Tyson?
Tyson, I have nothing to do with this now. Full time if you feel the lion.
Meow.
As soon as I get there, I show you that I care. Throw away those numbers, girl, 'cause I'm the one who cares. Are you hiding from somebody who lives down your lane? You don't have to worry, baby.
But in there, you come and ask you know I like it rough.
Oh, the Amazon warrior, rough, you know. Could I hold that, man? I'm just ready to turn up the fire.
Make them go and knock.
Bad Indian, you know you're in there, no?
Ask Tyson.
What go on, bad dog? It takes so long to answer me. You have a girl in there, man.
No, man, I see me that state, man.
Eh? No, bro, me have a girl voice in there, you know. Dog, how you see yourself lie to me?
John, what that?
You mean by Jano, dog? Police girl in there. Dog, you know, control over yourself, you know, dog. Dog, you know, say weak to the flesh.
Yo, dog.
Who you call girl Tyson?
Babies, you know, say I'm a wicked girl, big man thing. After I talk to you, see, you still come and start a link with Indian.
But did don't tell us that I know what you do already, don't it? Leave it alone.
John, no, brother. I look a pussy make you this, my dog. Eh? But don't talk to you, brother. So anytime face find out, just know say they on your own.
Dog, something about that cat here, dog. I can't resist her, dog.
Dog, you're weak, you know. Just know say a year funeral here.
Yeah, because I feel a way star. Tyson look out for me from day one.
Just know Sammy I look out for you as of today.
Steppa, tell about your boy, you know. You see what I'm to Pinky? And your boy caused all of this.
You can't blame my son for this. Pinky now have no ears.
Me know I talk to Pinky, but if she not go down and get her, the boy wanna back no gun pan and she no find no man down there.
Pinky could have been uptown and it happened to her. Anywhere she there could have happened to her. Me I go take care of that boy. Me I go take care of that boy when you spend shell.
The next thing, you saw Tyson to where people them gone. Eh? Tyson a problem. Tyson a big problem.
One thing with you know, your eyes them blind to where you don't want to see. You go see where you want to see. Woman, come out and move your arm, man.
What?
Pinky, how can I style it?
Special, you know what you did.
I like that stunt where you pull off from our day, you know. I like them style they here. And I still want the pussy, you know.
Special, I don't have any front to give you, sir. I am a virgin.
You don't fuck if that is to your brother, you know. You don't know no afraid of boy, don't.
You do not know what is swinging over your head here, Special. Just look out.
Think you want me to look out for? What do you mean by look out? I check me?
Spencer, you messed with the wrong girl. You just don't know that yet. You cannot hurt my brother.
Pinky, just come give me a link, man.
It seems like you're delusional.
Monique, where come down here for? What you say you have to tell me?
Girl, I missed my period and I took a pregnancy test, so came back positive.
Well, I never my fix there. We at there. Where you say?
I'm pregnant.
For Tyson? Hey! You tell him, friend?
I did. That's the reason why I'm staying at my house. No.
Hey! I'm gonna be your aunt. But Monique, you know it's not easy though.
What?
Yeah, breed. You make me care if you go fight girl with you? So why you make me lose my niece?
Tyson would have kill you.
Kill me? Are you Tyson would have kill?
By the way, why you think it's a niece?
Cause of that me want. So that's why I say girl, duh.
Okay.
Girl, I have something to tell you too.
What's that now?
Something to tell you about Tyson.
Tyson.
No, not about no woman. So stop with promise.
Oh.
But you tell us me I'm bad Indian link?
No.
Yeah, girl.
Since?
From the other day, mama girl and I in my yard last night, and as we go for the whole little thing, guess who come there? Not Tyson.
Oh, what?
I never know that Tyson know my husband. Girl, it never nice.
You know your husband, you know?
I'm not going to tell a lie. Tyson don't want me to leave Indian alone, you know. I mean, I think about it. Come like the boy, you know.
You
I
should.
really like the boy.
You should.
But I get a break still, because I really don't want nothing happen to Indian. I get a break. But anyway, Mr. Monique, if me not kill Bobs, hey, me not name Pebbles.
Girl, I want to tell you, say, me not left my one.
Monique, how you get gun from?
I got it from my baby. He said I'm supposed to protect myself.
Yo, Tyson are easy, you know, man.
You know him.
Posh, what you doing this? You know what's enough around us, sir?
I want to that spoil milk here. You can't stop me from coming here, sir. Remember say your time expire, you know. Remember say your time expire. What you say? Can't stop me from coming here this. Lie I tell you. You don't ever tell lie.
I can forget about who me is. You know, sir, he's a madman.
You batty boy in there, you're gonna get it. You are gonna get it.
Yo, Pebbles. Yo, Pebbles. Yo, Pebbles. Right now, me mad.
Steppa want you.
Boy, Spencer back gun for my daughter.
Who's Spencer?
You don't know Spencer?
I can't see him Spencer with me know from round stuff.
Same Spencer. Me want you open the head. Open the head today. Me want you open the head. Me say open the head today no fi pass. Me want you get Craven-A and go for boy.
Alright, consider it done.
Hey babe.
Posh,
What's up?
how are you doing? Long time no see me think you fly out.
Well, speaking that I did. But I'm back now, you know the style. Anyway, we did get one look opportunity to go thing. So you know it just come up, so I never have the time to really tell you behave, and then I get my phone the last, maybe get a new phone and one heap of thing, but me there you know.
Alright.
So what's new?
A big thing I go on, you know?
When I said beer things, what do you mean? I don't understand.
You know, so I never Tyson and kidnap Bobs though. Be a bumbuckler, you put me in hell.
What do you mean? I never tried to let you know.
No.
Who then?
Tyson girl from uptown, man.
It never accurate, but it near. Me did I tell you? Me never did tell you that I have new girl.
No, still.
I don't know, that alone girl, they have links too, you know, them have links. And when I say links, I mean, local links, big links. Can't give them all strappings and look something like.
Yeah? But anyway though, this bag of talking, a long time I didn't see you. Go on.
I'm here. Boy, if love so nice. No star. Anyway, babes, you know you have to give me a new number because that number already gone for the phone.
Alright. 3547211.
Enough bad prayer, me still there same way. Them say me curse, but me still there and I gain weight. 45 pound my belly keep the place safe. Patiently me a work on the payday. Used to wear the one boot without shame face. Mama ball and she pray for the chain break. Jason dead and gone, man have the same fate. Can't make them spread me out like mayonnaise. Ribs couldn't tell me say, man have guts. Get my heart broke and start move cautious. I'm on it by people, now me can't trust. So me put a 30 belly in my Taurus. Stay to myself, grass cut. I never left my shoes, it's like a glass broke. John got jar breaks, my head crab.
Don't move in a boy.
Now again. Not telling us something about Tyson there.
And a Tyson will come from. And you. Oh, you have to violate the boss daughter.
Which boss daughter you talk about?
Pinky, tell me say no Pinky.
Oh, I set up a go on. And tomorrow on a funeral.
From the boss call me a dead boy I got in.
Go up against the wall.
Yo, now put that for me, you know. You think you can frame me like graduation picture?
You think we're
And
afraid
kill
to
me.
bust your head like a jelly boy?
You can't kill me. I be your eyes a watch here.
Squad, I be people I preach through the window and no. Can't kill him yourself.
No worry yourself, man. Make we carry me in. And make sure him get charged for that gun there. Give me them, your boy.
Monique, your turn mother now. Why you and Tyson chose to turn me not grandpa? Me not done with me young days yet, star.
Uncle Steppa is not me, you know, it's Tyson. You know the amount of time I tell this guy, use a condom, but him just want to breed me off.
I must mean get that from. Me not like condom either, you know.
To be honest, I just wish Tyson don't have to go through all of this trauma. Barb's, my aunt, the police, Barb's brother. It seems like too much.
Well, me not know Monique, but that's a life state come with a whole heap of battle. So we have to fight it.
To be honest, maybe I should just let him leave.
No, I right thing you do. Me not think Tyson are happy without you.
I just don't want my child to come in this world and see us fighting.
Monique, don't worry yourself. Me, I go fix all of this.
Radical! You afraid my brother? Police put gun on him and go with him. Me fear your brother some back gun on my daughter. Not no go sir. My brother would have never do that. Obviously, you don't know your brother. Pinky! Come here. Tell Barbara's pension do you?
Your brother is wicked and twisted.
Hey, look at you. You tell lie for my brother. You know me for boom flick in your face.
Try that if you're bad, no?
Babs, you want me to get a fine ass today? Don't try that to my daughter. Oh, you think me afraid of you? All you get a look alike, you and your daughter.
Your brother deserves where he is right now.
With friends like you, who need enemies? Radical, you see if you blink, make a dust out your little chipmunk. Babs, a dream, Pinky come. You too damn bad if you never got a man here that will not happen to you.
Turn up the sound, make you like chip out. Girl, wine for me have a kind for you. Any money in the pocket, but my life must stop. Roll a split for light it up. But blind and lead line for cash. Shake up your bumper, girl, ice it up. Let me lick a honey in the sky for you. Let me the body live.
Boy, girl, I get captured. Me a top man. She ready for the action, tougher than a tanker. Me no chat long. And me a drink a girl, I never doctor, heavy like a sandbag. Sit the fat.
I'm called one Tyson.
How old is Hello?
Don't hang up, please.
Babs, how for phone never and call my man?
Tyson, you know your sister tell lie and make police lock us pension?
So Babs, how is that my problem?
No man. Tyson, you're a real bad man, you know. How you make police a fight your war?
But you know what you're talking about still, you know?
I put on me, them lock up my brother. Them put gun on him.
Where really I say Babs? You serious?
I'm serious, Tyson.
No man, you gotta talk to my father. Don't worry yourself, you gotta talk to my father.
Do, me them let go my brother.
No man, I have to go call my father. I must joke this.
Yo, me boy.
Father, what go on with that Spencer situation there?
No worry about that situation, them, man. I fixed that already.
So you really make police plant gun on the youth?
I kill them for kill him. They never follow me orders.
Yo, my father, I'm on the road saying, you better get the man out of jail.
Boy, back gun for my daughter, you tell me about let him out of jail.
Yo, I bet you remember going to lick 2 shots through the boy. You see me? Because badness have cold in my father. And me no work, so free up the dog.
In my line of work, we work with different code. If you mess with my family, anything you get, you take.
Fuck your line of work. You hear me I say no man? Free up a dog, man. You see me? When I roll them type of way, you know, me and you gonna fall out if you don't free up the dog. You know? Free up the dog, you hear that? Bumbuckler.
Alright, my son.
Bad in there, how you doing?
Yeah, no bro.
Big thing I go on in the dog. I want to tell you something, my father. The police got lock us in shell now.
I said that.
And you know when him too like that, you see me?
Sure no.
Dog, my dog right now, brother. What you know? Get that thing from over his pain, you know. Sitting down on your personal thing now, dog. Put to your personal thing still.
No.
You know, this is to man, dog. Nah, it's to man, dog. Be a love thing you do, dog. It's true, when you say, yo, so the boy face him and come for you, dog. Anytime find out you're in a trouble, you see me? Nah, this thing you're in a trouble, dog. But you see that thing, yeah? Say, oh, and chip up. Spain town is a come from. Fire heavy, dog.
Dead or good or no?
Personal thing, man. Like what, man?
Thing, man. Badness, man.
Do you about this, man? You're connect here.
Hear that?
Fool you. Do the dirt, man. Come here, only fuck me.
You let me reach a jail, man. Dark, if you dark up the city, you know.
Bumbuckler!
Soap it, boy, fella.
Ah! Bumbuckler! Yes!
What happened? What happened? How did something here? Talk to
Monique.
me. What happened?
Boy, Craven-A shot me, babes. Police boy named Craven-A.
Oh my God, how?
Babes, the boy in my yard and he wait me. Boy, I wait for me in my yard. But I have to kill a boy there, you know. John no star.
Babes, are only in your hand alone you get shot?
Yeah, babes, and the boy shot me.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
So, babes, this is state obvious.
So I'm to Tyson now.
Yo, a officer shot me up, you know.
You must be mad, man. You alright, my son?
Man, alright, man. And the boy Craven-A, I forgot dead, you know.
Craven-A.
Yo, you see if you remember fix that problem, yeah? We wouldn't have this right now, you know. This wouldn't happen, brother. Yo.
Uncle Steppa, call Dr. Abel, please. He needs to be looked at.
How are you, Dr. Abel?
Everything good, my boy. I want our link, man.
Ah,
Oh my god, what is wrong with my brother?
Everything alright, my dog. Tyson not go alright, man.
babes. You swear, man, can't stop bad? Eh? You swear, man, for bad?
Because you're bad, why this reach you?
Jano, one more murder again? No man, I want to go on that island here. Stephanie, if you do something about them thing, you know, I swear. Gotcha. Hello, darling.
Pebbles, you need to get the plan in motion today.
Steppa, what go on?
The boy Craven-A shot up Tyson. You know here?
You can't serious. They're gonna deal with it right now.
Come off of the phone. Pebbles, don't disappoint me.
Baby, what's up?
But Indian, what go on? You know, just here say Tyson get shut up.
Tell me a joke here, man.
Yo, but Indian, you know me not joke about this.
True, me not there, me no. I buy something for surprise, you know.
Yo, dog, Steppa, Bex, you know. Yo, him want Craven-A blood today.
So Craven-A really come shot the dog?
Yo, your ears tough forward, dog.
Babes, later we talk. Me have to get Tyson a link now.
How me I go do this? How them for call the boy, dog? Yeah, me I call him. No, me I send him a voice note. Dog blood. You know why you come give me a link, though? Cause me just a pre-pan with me I talk about from where you know. You and Craven-A come link me. Cause right now I feel like a full time now we take out the one step on.
Dog blood, I really took up gambling.
I'm there, dog, man. I'm surviving, dog. Yo, hold on, I'm listening to voice note. Yo, you know, see a Pebbles that? She has to come link up on her black dog. Like, she finally come to her senses.
Come like a step up with a blind her and now she can't see where I do wrong yet, you know.
Nah, man, Pebbles a good girl. I just step out, try and manipulate her, brother.
We not trust her, dog.
And she we have to go use to get to Steppa. So make her go link her, dog.
Hey, dog blood, look like you forget a woman be, you know.
Steppa, you can't chat to me again, you know. You're my boss, you know. And you get me out of my work, you know.
Hey, dog blood, look like you want man punch up your face, you know.
Yo, you think man feel on your deep voice?
Hey, dog blood, how you do? I mark you, mark me. Ah! Dog blood, how you just do?
You feel like man your son? Feel like you can beat me up?
Oh, fuck, Lord, they told me no more. Where boy dog blood gone for?
Pussy Steppa!
I to the dog blood of God dead.
Why are you looking at me like that?
What do you mean why am I looking at you like that? I mean if I ask you that are you in my place?
And who are you?
Who am I? I'm here the one posh, one and only.
Well, newsflash, I am Monique.
Okay, so are you a Tyson woman?
Yes, I'm Tyson's baby mother.
Sorry, my love.
And I heard everything about you as well, Pash.
Yeah, a lot about me for ear for true, so nothing wrong with that. But by the way, I heard that he got shot. Is that true?
That is not your concern. He's quite fine.
Sorry, my love. I shall lick me on my face. Yes, miss, go to 2 shows. Well, like your shit can't make party. What is?
Listen, I really and truly don't have time for this today.
One, yeah. Well, like you're somebody. Where?
What is that for? What about the dog?
I just come to get some clothes for Tyson. Tyson said he should come by the house to come and check him.
Alright, go and get the clothes and fast.
Okay.
a chat up yourself. Yo, the one Steppa, cock up, you know.
Yeah, man, I see him, so I have to lift couple shot off for him, you know what he is, you know.
Then no more. See, I got dead today, man.
Don't move. Go down, pound in me.
Oi, you too.
Oh, now go like on and knock it and crack it and chat it.
Hey, boy. Shut the shop. Bad man, you know. Eh? Judgment. Easy, leave this thing.
Yeah, better. Real boy.
Look how long I'm telling you, say. Below this, I know. Steppa, what for going on?
All you dark blood fire shot from me, I kill man for kill you know. But we are low no. We are kidnapped them.
What you say? I'm mad you come buckler. Yo, Steppa, you mad?
Steppa, you eat that man.
Brother. Buckler.
Yo, hold on.
Yo.
Hey boy, you better sleep on the same side where you sleep on last night.
Yo, watch out now. Try them out. Yo, get up. Get up now, boy. Try them out.
Hold on.
Babies.
Come on, man.
Bring them all over.
What's up, boy?
Father, how can I look up anything this? Look at soft thing. Bro, you can't show mercy to them man, you know? You see man them shoot me up. You see man lick shot off for you. You know no sense. Eh? Father, you know say me I go cut you off, brother. Me, I go cut you off, bro. If I follow you, me I go dead. We have to take out them boy, you know.
Why would you be showing sympathy? You saw what they did to your son.
Yo, Steppa, you get mad. My father, John know.
A great chess player, you know. Tyson, draw for no player. We not put too much emotion in this, you know.
Yo, you chat too much, you know. So you won't follow you, me I go dead. From this day on, we are no longer family. Yeah? Lift up. Lift up. Must be mad. A second place ago. Just I get a youth with big dreams. Yeah. First place, we are come for the prize, we no shaker. Yeah. Man never complain. Remember the hard that the fight make you greater. Yeah. No matter how the journey rough, turn the crown. Can't make no problems, all you work it out. Fuck shame, man have to put mama house upstairs. Yeah. Man have things to do, man have things to make. Money pile up in the ceiling, something for set. Stop living at the past, you don't see history yet. Rich me send me work for everything me get. Work for putting everything to rest.